We're at lacrosse games this weekend. Once again, this is our third weekend in Utah for lacrosse. Layla is just doing a little makeup tutorial in here. Hi, Winston.
We're gonna get it off with it.
Oh goodness. Some hemps. Show how you do this. She does like taps on the products. Is that how everyone does tutorials now? ASMR.
Come in your little watch.
Such a cool watch. Too bad it's not charged. Bummer. Fail.
Well, I was playing on it for a little bit and then it just...
I'm really glad you brought that lotion though because I need some. Anyway, Gage is warming up and they're playing.
I bring it everywhere.
They're playing the high school where my brother teaches. So my brother's gonna come and watch. Markel and Jess are coming. So excited to see them.
Wait.
It's been a really long time since I've seen Hayden.
Wait.
What?
Hayden works here?
He doesn't work here, but the high school that he works at, their team is here.
Oh my god.
And that's who Gage is playing. So cool. Are we ready now, Layla? You're so hilarious. I saw someone posted something about our little girls wearing makeup. And it's never been a big deal to me because Layla loves makeup. It made me feel better because I've always felt like it's like playing dress up. Layla loves putting makeup on because it's like playing dress up. It's not anything more serious than that. It's just fun for her. And she's seriously been obsessed with makeup since before she was 1. She's just always loved makeup and pretending to put it on. And so I let her, and I don't think it's that big of a deal. And honestly, I've been really happy because I rarely get a comment about how I shouldn't let her or how it's a problem. Of course, there are some comments here and there about makeup or her nails or, you know, stuff like that, but it's nothing that is like that serious, you know? She doesn't feel like she has to wear makeup. It's just fun and she enjoys it. She doesn't wear makeup to school or anything like that, but she wants to put a little makeup on and pretend like she's doing a makeup tutorial, then I think that that's okay. You know? Everyone is entitled to have their own opinion about it, but that's just what I think. It's not that serious. Makeup and nails and all those things has no effect on her confidence. She's the most confident child, no matter what. And I'm really grateful for that. I'm so proud of her for her confidence. So, huh. You're the bestest girl. Okay, should we go cheer on Gager?
No.
Hopefully no fighting this week.
Yeah. I almost came into that fight. You
did? You were about to just go right onto the field and break it up? It was really weird to all of a sudden see Gage in a headlock. It made me like, Casey immediately got up and like went over to see what was going on because we're scary for a second. Okay.
I don't want to walk over there.
We still have like a half hour before the game starts. Casey and Winston are over playing football.
No, I'm hungry.
Well, you can finish your donut.
No. It's just
got donuts for breakfast.
I want like something salty.
You want something salty? I don't think I have anything salty in this car.
No.
I'm so sorry. You should have gotten something salty. Layla and I each got a donut. We should have split a donut and then got something else that was salty.
No. I want baby puffs.
You do?
Yes.
Layla always wants baby puffs because last year, does he still eat them? There's a boy in her class that
is allergic to every
he's
candy
allergic
in the world.
to a lot of things, and so at snack time or when they have a class party and there's treats or anything like that, he has baby puffs. And what do you think every single kid in that class wants? Baby puffs. They all want the baby puffs. I said, well, Layla, you're in luck because we're about to have a baby and we'll have baby puffs again.
That's why I'm so excited.
All right, well, we're going to hang out in here for about 10 more minutes. And then
No,
over. It's a really nice stadium. I feel like a lot of the time when we go to lacrosse games, it's just kind of like a random field. But this is at their football stadium and it looks really nice. So I love that. I love when there's like stadium seating and we get to sit on it.
I need some lip gloss.
So fancy. I love lacrosse. I was talking to my cousin. They live in Utah also, and we saw them at some of the games that we were at, and she was talking about how much she loves lacrosse, and it made me happy to talk to her because I'm like, I love it so much too. I mean, it's intense and it makes me like, ugh, the whole time because they're just hitting each other so hard. And I can't imagine playing a sport, especially a sport where you have to like pick up a tiny ball with a stick and keep it in your net while you're running, and then someone's just whacking you with a stick the whole entire time. I can't imagine. I'm actually surprised there aren't more fights. I just feel like getting hit in the hands and hit like in the arms, and oh my gosh, that would make me feel rageful and I would want to fight. So I'm always very proud of them for keeping it together. Tomorrow we're doing a yes day for Layla.
I'm gonna get some more of this.
You are not. You don't need more. You still have some.
No, I want like a different kind that I don't know what.
Okay, we're doing a yes day, but we're not gonna go extreme, or I would be buying designer bags and shoes and all sorts of things for this one. But
I like a Gucci bag.
But I thought it would be fun to do like a yes day and do a couple special days with each of the kids before the baby comes. So we're starting with Layla tomorrow. Gonna have a little yes day. Not an extreme yes day. I said I want to do a yes day, but like more like experiences. Let's do fun things together. So I think that she's thought of some fun things. I'm excited.
Like, I know what's in there.
Like shopping. Also, we're gonna go to the park and have a picnic. We're gonna do some fun things like that. I just want to make those memories. Have like just a special day with each of my kids before the baby.
You've engaged?
You've engaged, yeah, of course. All the kids want Braylee when she gets back. You know, things are just gonna.
The baby's already gonna be there when Braylee.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not.
It's a grown up, by the way.
Life is about to change a lot. It's been a while since we've had a baby, and I don't know, it makes me nervous because I don't exactly know what to expect.
How old am I gonna be when he's 29?
You'll be, when he's 29?
Yeah.
You'll be 36.
36?
Yeah.
36?
How old will I be? Well, I'll be so old. Gage's first birth game is over. He has one more game today. Markel and Jess are here. And Hayden's here. Best day ever. And we're here. We're here today.
And we're losing.
And we're here today.
The corn dog.
And now we're watching my cousin's son play. So, very cool. And they're from the town that I grew up in, so it was my high school. Really fun. Good job, Gage. Oh.
Number 1 for Syracuse puts in a nice goal to the back of the net.
We're finally painting our pumpkins. We've had them for so long. We're finally painting them. Layla painted this one and she made her own custom color for this, which turned out so great. I painted this one, kind of like ombre-ish.
Wait, can I paint one of those?
They take a lot.
Well, I don't care.
And remember, your arm was hurting.
No, I have a bunch of energy today.
You do?
Because I had a empowerment. Now I have power.
Okay, we'll see. Let's paint this one, and then we'll see how you're feeling. I wanted to do these colors because I think they're cute. I'm sure that you've seen like this all over. But I also wanted to do it so that we could turn them after Halloween, and then they could just be like this for fall until we decorate for Christmas. Anyway, they have baking soda on them, so I'm just brushing that off.
That looks so satisfying when you brushed it off.
It's messy.
Look at this.
I don't know. I think that maybe this should have been a little more like, I shouldn't have let it dry quite so much because the baking soda isn't sticky enough good, but That's okay. It's whatever. Huh, Layla? It's whatever. It still looks so cute. Anyway, I love
We're
it.
gonna have to clean a lot of this up, Mom.
Yeah, when we go, well, that's why I had this tablecloth, because I knew it would be messy. And look, Layla, I have a little mini broom.
We have little mini broom.
Anyway, okay, well, we still have this big one,
And
this
then
one,
this.
and then one over there. So that's what we're gonna be doing this
Wait,
evening.
I don't know what color I'm gonna be doing.
I think I needed to touch this up. Oh well. Yeah, I made it a
I
little
might
messy
do
right there.
this color.
Oh yeah, that's a great color. I like that.
That and that.
Rosie, do you have a toy stuck in here? This one? This guy? You put your toys in there, Rudy's? Layla is determined to teach herself how to do a back handspring. She's scaring me. It's giving me a mini heart attack watching.
Handspring.
I know you can do it. Hold on. Wait just in 1 second.
Ready?
Okay, are we ready? I don't know. I'm nervous. Good. Way good. Good job. Do it again. Let's see it.
Okay. Round off back handspring.
Just do a back handspring. Okay.
How does the back handspring?
I need to put her in gymnastics. She does like a little gymnastics for a dance, but
Wait, one more.
okay.
Wait. I was not ready for that.
Wish Braylee was here. Good. Really good because she could teach her. But great job. I'm so proud of you for teaching yourself how to do that. Also,
taught me a
did
little.
we mention how Layla did in fact get tired painting that tiny pumpkin?
So, I came out here to practice a little.
Her hand got tired, so
We're
we're moving on. Okay. Careful.
I have some rocks between my toes.
Nice.
There's rocks in there for some reason.
Oh yeah, there are. You need to spray that off.